everybody, and especially the young ones. Hello, children. Today I'll tell you a story about a very careless boy. The careless boy was so careless to the extent that he brings a destruction. So let's hear it. So I'll do a storytelling session for you. Hope you'll enjoy. So let me start. So, responsibility finds the way. Chetan was a careless boy. His mother could be often heard telling him, Chetan, please switch off the computer before you go down to play. Our electricity and water charges are so high. Think about your country. We face power cuts because of power shortage, which is usually a result of wastage. Chetan never listened. No matter how many times his mother reminded him of his duties, he did not care. He did not even bother to switch off the fans or lights. He could leave the tap open while brushing all along, wasting a lot of water. One day, Chetan was alone at home. While he was brushing, the water supply went off. He just managed to get water from the kitchen and then went off for his music classes. In his absence, the water supply returned. Chetan had left the tap open. The water started draining off. He had also left the soap at one side and not in the soap dish. It slipped off into the basin and blocked the drain. Slowly, water started flooding the place. The neighbors came to know only when water started seeping out of the main door onto the stairs and into the elevator. The neighbors called up Chetan's mother. The main connection was closed to avoid further flooding and wastage. But the residents had to bear the brunt as there was no supply for hours. Till Chetan and his mother returned and opened the lock and closed the tap. One of the neighbors stepped forward and said to Chetan, You are an irresponsible citizen. It's high time that you become responsible. Come, let's clean the water before another accident takes place on the stairs or in the elevator, called out the neighbor. Many people brought mops and buckets to manage the flood. Chetan's mother quickly removed the soap from the drain, released water into the drain. Another neighbor quickly removed the carpet and hung it on the railing to dry. The rest of the neighbors were wiping off the water in the drawing room as two women swept out the kitchen water. Chetan did his bit. He saw the way some people were dipping the mop in water and squeezing it into the bucket. He realized that everybody was so responsible. They were bothered about the damages to the property and furniture. Despite their fury, everybody helped him. They were such responsible citizens. Chetan's father rushed home from office and offered to pay for another tanker for the building. But the residents decided to pool money as Chetan was like their own child. Chetan learned to be a responsible citizen through the hard way. He was really ashamed of his carelessness and changed for the better. He thanked his neighbors for their timely help. Now, the moral of the story: accept responsibility, be accountable, and start making changes today. Thank you, friends. So, friends, if you like the story, do comment, like, and subscribe. I'll come with more stories for you next time. Thank you. Have a nice day.